Hey guys, day 6, April 7th, agenda video for today, just to go over exactly what you need to do. Make sure you are looking at this agenda or schedule page just to know exactly what you're supposed to do every day. I'm starting to put in the agenda video description exactly what you need to do also. So even if you don't watch the video, you'll get a notification telling you exactly what you need to do, okay? So today is day 6. We go all the way down. Journal number 6 is due today, or you're going to do journal number 6. Reading comprehension. This comprehension has to do with the author's purpose. So you're going to read the story about when lightning strikes, and then you're going to complete the comprehension questions. I will show you where that is. Also, make sure you're listening to these Ghost of Spirit Bear chapters after spring break. We're most likely going to be closed again. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be reading the Ghost of Spirit Bear. So this is kind of just an introduction for you. So make sure you're reading that or listening to that as well. Okay. All right. So we're going to go to our journal first. Today's journal. Suppose Congress. Remember, we're talking about persuasive writing. All right. So you're writing a persuasive piece for your journal. So suppose Congress wants to make a new national holiday honoring an important person or event. Choose a person or event you would like to honor. Write an essay to convince members of Congress to accept your choice. So think about a person or an event in time that you would like to have a national holiday for. And you have to make sure you have details, and you make sure you have things to support your reasoning why you think that national holiday should be something that we celebrate. All right, so that is your journal for today. Make sure you turn that in. The next thing you have to do, just so I can see my cursor. Okay. The next thing you have to do is when lightning strikes. So there will be a video talking about the. This is actually my screen, so don't be afraid of the Ghost of Spirit Bear things that you're seeing. It's going to be for after spring break. So if we go down to reading comprehension, these are going to be your when lightning strikes informational pieces. So this is going to be your assessment. Make sure you complete that. And then this is going to be the reading. There's also going to be a video of me reading the actual piece as well as the questions. So make sure you do that. And then make sure if you go back up, you'll see the Ghost of Spirit Bear. The blue that's already up, that's going to be up for you already. So make sure you are listening to those chapters. Okay. If you have any questions, make sure that you comment on this video. I will be able to get back to you as quick as I can, as well as if you need to have a parent email me. All right. That's another easy way of getting in contact with me. All right. Make sure you're getting outside, make sure you get some fresh air, and make sure you're doing what you need to do over this break. Okay. Miss you guys. Hope you're having a